Top 5 Best Motorcycle Tires. Today, we're taking a closer look at 5 of the best motorcycle tires that stand out for performance, grip, and reliability on the road. Whether you ride daily, tour long distances, or push your bike on spirited weekend rides, these tire options bring a balance of safety, handling, and durability that every rider can appreciate. Let's get into the details. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Pirelli Angel ST 120/70 ZR17, 58W, front and 190/50 ZR17, 73W, rear motorcycle tires, high-performance sport touring tire for enhanced grip, durability and stability, fit sport and touring bikes. Designed to handle the demands of both spirited weekend rides and daily commuting, these Pirelli Angel ST tires deliver a balanced blend of performance, longevity, and comfort. At the front, the 120/70 ZR17, 58W, profile offers precise steering response, while the 190/50 ZR17, 73W, rear enhances stability and corner exit grip, making the whole setup ideal for sport and touring bikes alike. Constructed using Pirelli's dual compound technology, the tires feature a harder center strip to resist wear during highway miles, paired with softer side compounds to maximize lean angle traction. This combination allows riders to confidently explore tight twisties or simply cruise on the open road without sacrificing durability. Engineered with an advanced tread pattern, these tires efficiently disperse water to maintain grip in wet conditions. The tread's central groove helps channel water away, while lateral grooves ensure that contact with the road stays consistent even when weather turns unpredictable. Riders will notice enhanced feedback through the bars and a planted feel in the corners, helping boost rider confidence whether it's sunny or raining. What stands out is the reinforced carcass design that supports high-speed touring while preserving comfort. Even over rougher surfaces, the tire construction helps absorb minor bumps and imperfections, resulting in a smooth ride. And thanks to the optimized silica content in the rubber compound, heat builds up evenly, reducing the risk of cold spots and extending tire life. These tires also benefit from Pirelli's years of motorsport experience, which shows in the predictable handling and impressive braking performance. Under hard braking, the contact patch remains stable, helping reduce stopping distances. For riders who value mileage, tests have shown these tires can outperform some competitors by lasting longer without a dramatic drop in performance toward the end of their life cycle. Number 2. Dunlop Roadsmart 3 Rear Tire, 160/60-17. Engineered to handle everything from weekday commutes to weekend escapes, the Dunlop Roadsmart 3 rear tire in 160/60-17 brings together versatility, grip, and mileage. Its tread pattern stands out right away, featuring deep lateral grooves and interconnecting channels that quickly evacuate water to keep traction reliable in wet conditions. This gives riders added confidence during sudden rain showers or slick road surfaces. The multi-tread technology combines a harder center compound with softer shoulder compounds, designed to extend tire life while delivering dependable cornering grip. The harder center area helps resist wear on long highway runs, while the softer edges allow riders to lean into corners with assurance. This blend creates a balanced ride that feels predictable whether you're cruising through the city or pushing a bit harder on winding back roads. The 160/60-17 rear sizing fits a range of middleweight and sport touring motorcycles, offering enough width to boost traction without adding unnecessary weight. The slightly rounded profile promotes smooth turn-in and predictable mid-corner stability, making transitions from upright riding to full lean seamless. Riders will appreciate the balanced feel during slow-speed maneuvers in traffic and the secure grip when accelerating out of corners. Number 3. Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 Street Sport 255 ZR17 78W rear motorcycle tire 255-17 Rosso 4. Designed for riders who demand sharp handling and sporty performance on the street, the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 rear tire in 255 ZR17 brings race-inspired technology to everyday riding. Its aggressive tread design is immediately eye-catching, built to maximize dry grip while still channeling away water when conditions get wet. The wide 200 section width boosts the contact patch, delivering more traction during acceleration and greater stability in fast corners. This tire benefits from a dual compound structure, featuring a harder center band for improved mileage and softer side compounds that enhance grip at lean angles. This balance ensures the tire holds up under daily riding while still offering the kind of cornering confidence riders expect from a performance tire. Whether rolling through sweeping bends or carving tighter turns, the Rosso 4 offers a stable, responsive feel that keeps riders connected to the road. The carcass design and optimized profile help achieve quick turn-in and smooth transitions from upright to full lean. Riders will notice the tire's feedback, especially mid-corner, where it feels planted without being overly stiff. This responsiveness encourages more spirited riding while still maintaining predictability, making the tire as enjoyable on short city rides as it is on longer weekend runs. Overall, the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 rear tire offers a dynamic mix of street usability and sport-inspired grip. Riders looking for a tire that elevates everyday rides with sharper handling and confidence in mixed conditions will find it strikes a compelling balance between daily practicality and spirited fun. Number 4. Continental Conti Road Attack 4 Sport Touring Motorcycle Tire, enhanced wet and dry weather performance, superior grip, and outstanding durability, 180/55 ZR17. Developed to bridge the gap between touring comfort and sporty responsiveness, the Continental Conti Road Attack 4 and 180/55 ZR17 delivers balanced performance that adapts seamlessly to changing road conditions. Its tread pattern, featuring deep, angled grooves and an open shoulder design, quickly disperses water, offering riders solid grip in wet weather without sacrificing dry performance. The unique grip limit feedback technology is engineered to enhance rider confidence by delivering more predictable feedback as the tire approaches its traction limit. This allows riders to better sense how much grip remains, promoting smoother cornering and reducing surprises mid-turn. The tire's profile is carefully sculpted to deliver light, agile steering while maintaining stability, especially during fast highway runs or two-up touring. The 180/55 ZR17 sizing offers a strong balance of agility and straight-line stability. This width provides enough contact patch to handle spirited corner exits and heavy braking, yet the tire remains light enough to keep handling sharp in city traffic or winding roads. Whether leaning into a series of bends or cruising on the freeway, the Conti Road Attack 4 feels composed and predictable. Overall, the Continental Conti Road Attack 4 brings together sport tire agility and touring tire comfort. It delivers wet and dry performance that stays consistent, giving riders the flexibility to explore twisty mountain roads or cover big interstate miles without needing to swap tires for different conditions. Ideal for those who value confidence, durability, and all-weather versatility in a single rear tire. Number 5. Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 120/70 ZR17M/C front and 160/60 ZR17M/C TL rear motorcycle tire set, high performance, durable for super sport bikes with keychain. Built for riders who want sharper handling and sport-focused grip without sacrificing real-world usability, this Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tire set combines a 120/70 ZR17 front and a 160/60 ZR17 rear to create a balanced, responsive setup. The front tire's rounded profile encourages precise steering input, while the rear's slightly flatter shape boosts stability and traction under acceleration, making them an ideal pairing for supersport and middleweight bikes. The dual compound design uses a harder center strip to resist wear during straight-line cruising, combined with softer side compounds that deliver strong grip when leaning into corners. This approach extends tire life while preserving the sporty feel that riders expect from Pirelli's performance lineup. It's a blend that makes everyday commutes feel more dynamic while also holding up well during spirited weekend rides. A standout feature is the tread pattern, which channels water away quickly to maintain traction even on rain-slick roads. The central grooves reduce hydroplaning risk, while lateral grooves keep the contact patch stable at lean angles. This helps maintain predictable handling and inspires confidence whether riding in dry conditions or caught in an unexpected shower. The Rosso 4 tires also feature silica-rich compounds that improve cold weather grip and reduce warm-up times, so riders feel steady traction shortly after setting off. This compound flexibility ensures performance remains consistent across different seasons and riding temperatures, giving peace of mind year-round. Handling feels light and direct at the bars, thanks to the carefully shaped front profile that encourages smooth turn-in and effortless direction changes. The rear tire complements this by offering enough width to stabilize the bike on corner exits and maintain grip under braking. This synergy makes transitions from upright riding to full lean natural and fluid, adding to rider enjoyment on twisty roads.